This conference will now be recorded.
Anuha, can you please give me the host access so that I can share? Yeah, thank you, Anuha. Ravi, you can hear me, right? Is my screen visible to you?
Austin is visible.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Thank you for your confirmation. So to maintain the products, so our SAP has a solution like so in the you can maintain at storage location level. Storage location is nothing but no bin management, nothing is simply there will be a huge space and you store the material. Simply you are summing up the material. There is no space and no bin and nothing. So let me show you one thing. Can you see this image, Ravi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Simply it is nothing but so in this image there are no bins and nothing is there. Simply it is the storage location itself. No bin management, nothing. Okay. It is very suitable for the products actually which are not having an expiry, which are actually so any GR date or anything. For example, our marble stones, marbles, right? We use the marbles. Okay.
Right.
For those marbles, we can directly store them. Actually, no bin management is required. No need to track actually whether the product, when the product is going to be expired or not, right? So you don't have to track the expiry date. So just you can simply place all the marbles here and you can pick them. You can pick them. That is very easy. It is what we call as storage location level. Storage location level management. For example, if you have any like steel plates and everything, that kind of steel kind of products are there. So then also actually that product will not be damaged. Product will not be damaged, and you don't have to maintain it bin level. So you don't have to remember where you kept the product. Simply only that one product you are going to store in the storage location. In the storage location. That's why you don't have to worry about the bin management, everything. Bin management, everything. This is what we call as storage location level management. Storage location level management, and it is also called IM level management, inventory management level solution. That is what we call as inventory management. It was part of SAP MM. It was part of SAP MM, and anyhow, we will be we will be seeing the updates which are reaching to inventory management level for from our EWM. It is not required for you to learn inventory management. So in our session only, how the stock is getting updated in the inventory level, we will see it. We will see it. And apart from inventory management level, SAP has provided two solutions. One is warehouse management, another one is extended warehouse management. So why SAP has gone to extended warehouse management even though it is having a solution for the warehouse is it was previous solution, that is was warehouse management solution. Now the market is evolving. The market is evolving, coming up new trends and technologies, new trends and technology. So now what exactly the things are happening now? Every warehouse is becoming a robotic managed warehouse. Robotic. Every warehouse is using ASRS, automatic storage and retrieval systems. Okay. Now let me show you what exactly automated storage and retrieval system. Yeah. Automated storage and retrieval system. Simply automation is there. Simply the products are going on the conveyor belts. Actually, they are reaching. Everything is automated. No manual intervention. Everything is automated. This is called stalker crane. Stalker crane. No stalker crane taking the product into the warehouse, and it will place the product. And it will bring another product here, another pallet, so that we can receive the product pallet here from here. So this kind of system is called ASRS, Automated Storage and Retrieval System. Let us have one more video. So actually, these kind of ASRS implementations are now going on. So now people are slowly getting adapted to SAP EWM. Our SAP EWM can support these many functionalities. Like you can integrate with robots, you can integrate with automated retrieval system. This is what we call as conveyor belt. Conveyor belt. Once you place this product, so based on the product, actually it will actually make this product reach the destination. This kind of setup is called conveyor belt. This is stalker crane. and this vehicle is called forklift. This vehicle is called forklift. So let me show you. This vehicle is called forklift. Okay, now let's go to our syllabus. So our EWM, the previous solution provided by SAP, is not at all going to support these many integrations. These many integration with robots and everything. So that is not possible with the SAP WM. SAP WM is not that much flexible. SAP WM is not that much flexible. That's why SAP has come up with new solution. SAP has come up with a new solution called SAP EWM, Extended Warehouse Management. And never ever think that WM is an EWM is an extension to WM. So there is no relation. The processes, the T codes, and everything is different from WM to EWM. There is no relation. Don't try to even compare it. So it's much more advanced functionalities are there. So even the framework behind EWM is very much complex compared to WM. Now, in inventory management level is capable of managing inventory at storage location level. So in location, how much stock is there? That's it. But where exactly it is located, that we cannot find at storage location level or inventory management level. But if you go with the warehouse management level, so there you will have the bin management, there you will have the yard management. So warehouse management supports stock and bin management, storage unit management, place removal strategies will be there, and yard management will be there. So lot of things will be there when you implement the warehouse management. So in this session, in this session, we will be going to explore some of the some of the similarities and some of the advanced functionalities which are not present in WM and which are present in EWM that we are going to discuss. It is not only a discussion point to figure out the differences, but also a best opportunity for us. It is also a best opportunity for us to know the terminology, whatever the terminology the warehouse people will use, and it is also best opportunity for us to learn what will be the warehouse processes, what will be the warehouse processes. Now, so difference between WM and EWM. So this is what the functionality, this is what the functionality, and these all are the this is whether it is present in WM or whether it is present in EWM. So up to this yard management, up to this yard management, all the functionalities are present in both the systems, SAP WM as well as SAP EWM. But apart from this one, so these functionalities are exclusively supported by SAP EWM. There are a lot of other functionalities just to understand. So to understand this one, I figured out some of the things. I figured out some of the things. So I made a slide over this. So with the help of this terminology, with the help of this terminology, we are not only going to understand the differences, but also we are going to understand what all are the warehouse processes there. What all are the warehouse processes we have. So first thing is stock and bin management, and it is present both in WM and EWM. So let us understand what is stock and bin management. Okay. So let us consider that this is one storage location. Okay. If there are no bins and nothing is there, no bins and nothing, simply you're storing the product and removing the product means that is storage location level management, inventory management level management. But in the warehouse management system, in the warehouse management system, that is not the case. So there will be a designated places for the bins. There will be some uh, conveyor belts. So based on their requirement, there will be some designated bins actually. So we can track each and every product, where exactly the product is there, whether it is on conveyor belt, so whether it is on forklift, whether it is in any one of the bins. So in any one of the bins actually, which product is going to be expired soon, that entire information we can track with the help of bin management. But in case of storage location level management, it is not possible because all the products, so there is no segregation of the products. So inventory management is not that much flexible. If you have lot variety of products with variety of batches, variety of expiry dates, then there is a there is a requirement that you should always go with the warehouse management level instead of going with the inventory management level. Okay. So how much quantity we have and where those are located at bin level. At bin level is possible with the help of warehouse management system. Now let's go to storage unit management. Let's go to storage unit management. So what is storage unit management? And this storage unit management is called, in WM it was called storage unit management. In general terminology it is called storage unit management, but in our SAP EWM terminology it is called quantity classification. Based on the quantity, you have to classify the unit of measure. You have to classify the unit of measure. That is what we call as quantity classification. Storage management unit is called quantity classification in SAP EWM, that you have to remember. And for example, this is the product. So this is the product. We are having one each of product. One each means one piece of product. So you each means piece. You have to understand one piece of product. But if you pack in one cotton box, for example, there is a special kind of cotton box to pack these materials. So in this cotton box, you can store only up to 10 inches of products. 10 cups only you can store. So again, I'm telling that don't think of the packaging material. Don't think of the packaging material. Okay. It is always the quantity classification. One carton means 10 inches. One carton means 10 inches. Uh, yeah, Ravi, like so, one case of beers means like, did you hear one case of beers? The word case beers,
Yes.
like so,
Uh,
either we are celebrating any function or so. Case beers means
yes.
always how, yeah, how many,
I think
how,
10 or
yeah. In some of the products there might be 10. In some other brands there might be 12,
I
right?
think 10 or not.
Yeah. Most
Yes, sir.
probably, let us go with the 10. Okay. Okay. For example, that's why I'm telling, don't think of the packaging material. Case means always 10, right? I want case beers means whatever it may be the packaging material. So he has to give us
Yes.
10, right? It is alternative unit of measure. For example, dozen banana,
Oh,
dozen
yes.
banana. Okay, dozen banana. So don't think of the packaging material, whether it is small or big, but it is always the
Okay.
alternative unit of measure. Dozen banana means 12 bananas only. Whether he is packing in cotton box or whether he is packing in cover, that is not required for us. Okay, that is what
Okay.
alternate unit of measure. For this product, always the cotton means 10 products. 10 products. And for this product, always the pallet means 40 products. We can just let us assume that on this on this pallet, this is what we call as pallet. On this pallet, we can only place four boxes like this. We can only place four boxes like this, means in each and every cotton box we will be having 10 products. That's why always means one pallet of this cups I want means always 40 eaches of the products are required. That is alternate unit of measure or quantity classification. Quantity classification, that is also possible. If we receive the cotton, automatically it will go to some location. If we receive the pallet, it will go to some other storage location. That entire thing can be managed from our SAP EWM level. Entire things can be managed from our SAP EWM level. And placement and removal strategies. Okay. Now here, put away quantity classification. Here you can see with this help of this image, you can understand if you are receiving the products, so that man with the like so one kind of like so this is what we call as Pikachu or one kind of uh, one kind of like so what we call it is, so here actually they will store the products here, and actually so it will go to the place where we can place our loose products. No cotton box, no cotton boxes or no pallets can be placed here, where we can place only a loose products. System will propose that one where you have to go. Once you have received the loose product, where you have to go, and what kind of resource is required, what kind of resource, what kind of tray is required, that will be proposed by the system. And once you receive a cotton box, once you receive the cotton box, if you want to put away, so where you have to put away those cotton box, there is a designated place in the warehouse to put away the cotton boxes. And what kind of resource with what kind of equipment he has to bring to put away these products from here to here, what kind of product. And again, this is the pallet, this is the pallet, the quantity classifications. Once you receive the pallet, so what kind of vehicle, what kind of resource, this is what we call as resource in the warehouse. The employees or the forklifts which are working in the warehouse called resources. What kind of resource is required, and where we can place those pallets. That entire thing will be driven by system, not by us. So you don't have to decide entirely. This will be driven by the system, driven by the system. Now, this is what the storage unit management. So let us think placement and removal strategies. Placement and removal strategies. For example, in DMART, okay, it is okay in DMART. So the DMART people can remember. So once they receive the products, where they have to place the products, they can remember. For example, if you are having 10,000 different kinds of products, 10,000 different kinds of products, is it possible for us to remember actually where we have to place the products? Ravi, are you there?
Yes, sir. Then,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Tell me.
For example, in DMart, actually they can remember so where they can place. So, but for example, we are having 10,000 different types of products. For example, in car manufacturing, there will be a lot of different kinds of product. Is it possible to remember where we have to store all the products in the warehouse?
No. Yes.
Are you there, Ravi?
Yes, sir. There. Yes, sir. Tell me.
Yeah. So if it is 1 lakh different kinds of products are there, is it possible to remember all the names of those products, and so where we are placing the products in our warehouse? Is it possible to remember? Human Humans can remember that one? It will be very
Yes, yes,
difficult,
sir.
right? Yeah, it will be very difficult. If you are maintaining like 1 lakh kind of different kinds of products in the warehouse, then how can you remember? It will be very difficult for you to remember. And so once you receive the product, you will never know where you have to place the products, where you have to place the products. But if it is driven by the system, if it is driven by the system, actually system will show you the path where you have to go and where you have to place the products and where the products are available. That will be entirely driven by the system. That will be entirely driven by the system. So this is possible by SAP EWM. So you don't have to remember where you have to place the products and from where you have to pick the products. So there are some kind of strategies are there. With the help of those strategies, system will propose where you have to place the product. Okay, that is what the placement strategies. And apart from placement strategies, we are also having some removal strategies as well. We are also having some removal strategies as well. Okay, and what is replenishment? Replenishment. A replenishment is nothing but, so when you go to a medical shop, when you go to a medical shop, so if you ask for any cough and cold tablet, okay, will he go like so? Will actually the medical shop owner actually, so will he keep those tablets very handy to you or very handy to him, or he will go somewhere else and bring the product for a common kind of products?
Sorry.
Yeah, yeah. For a very common kind of products, for cold and cough tablets,
God.
okay, the medical shop owner will keep it very handy, right? So like near to him
Yes,
only he
sir.
will place some of the products, because that is the regular kind of selling product, right?
Yes.
Are you there, Ravi? Like, so is there any problem or any disturbance from your side? Are you?
Uh, my connection is poor, sir. So,
Yeah, yeah. So, like, okay, you cannot talk. Can I continue?
yes, sir. Please continue.
Yeah. Okay, okay. No issue. No issue. So,
Okay.
the medical shop, what, when you reach the medical shop, if you ask for cold and cough tablets, actually, he will keep some of the products very near to him instead of picking them like from the medical shop. So, why? That is the regularly selling product, right? Okay, that is what we call the same practice we do in the warehouse also. For example, this brew product is regularly selling product. Instead of actually this is the goods issue, from here we can issue to the customer. From here we can issue to the customer. If it is the regularly selling product, then it is better idea to not to place all the products. Some of the products we can place to very near to goods issue zone, very near. Okay, that's why we can easily pick these products and give it to the customer, give it to the customer. This kind of practice is called replenishment. For example, I have set this minimum value to 6. Okay, so one customer came, we have given 3 products. Okay, another customer came, we have given another 3 products. Another customer came, we have given another 3 products. Another customer will came, we have another 3 products. If we are running out of the quantities, if we are running out of the quantities, system will automatically replenish those quantities from here to here. Simply, from now, you can issue the products to the customer, issue these products to the customer. And this kind of strategy, refilling the, so primary zone, refilling the primary zone from buffer zones. Actually, we will have the large quantities of the products here, but filling slowly we are filling this area and we are issuing it to the customer. This kind of refillment is called replenishment in case of our SAP EWM. This is what we call as replenishment from the reserve zone to primary zone, from the reserve zone to primary zone, and it will be entirely taken care by system. It will be entirely taken care by the system. And we are also having pick logic. We are also having pick logic. So pick logic, how this logic is working, how this pick logic is working. So let us understand. So we are having first in first out. First in first out means whatever the product we have received first, whatever the product we have received first, that we have to issue to the customer first, because the product will become very old in our warehouse. So that's why whatever the product we have received first, that we have to issue to the customer. So these are GR dates, means receiving dates of these products. So which one is the older product in our warehouse?
Uh, 2523.
Yeah, 2523. So we have received like in the year 2023. So once we get any
Yes.
order for this product, so system will automatically give the issue this product instead of actually so manually going and there. So system will, so this product is getting old in our warehouse. That's why system issued that product. So then what will be the next?
One, I think
It is in the
1324.
third month. Yeah, yeah, 1324. Automatically system will take care of that one. System will take care of that one. You don't have to do anything. So automatically the strategies will be set in the system. System will take care of that one. And the next thing is first expiry, first out. It is what we have received dates, but these dates are expiry dates. Okay.
Spirit
Is
dates.
it, yeah, is it better idea to actually issue the products based on the expiry dates, right?
Yes.
Because the first product which is going to be expired very soon, then better we have to issue it to the customer, right?
Right. 20,
Yes or no?
24 to
Yeah.
24.
Okay. It is already expired actually. It was prepared in the month of December, I think. Yeah.
Yes.
The slide was prepared in the month of December. But automatically, so if the products are expired, that will be blocked in the warehouse. That configuration also we will be going to see. That will be blocked means we cannot issue that product to any customer once it is expired. Okay. Now it is, so it is in the month of fourth month, it is going
Ending.
to be expired.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Next month
So
is ended.
system, yeah, system. Next month it is going to be expired. So instead of actually, if you manually go and pick the products, you may pick some other products, but this product will be expired in the warehouse. So instead of that, if the EWM manager, if
Yes.
we apply this first expiry, first out, yeah, system will propose, system will propose this product to be picked first. Then, so after this, actually, so in the 2015, 2025 is there, and this product is
25
going to
3.
be soon. Yeah, 25/3.
Yes.
System will propose this one and this one. System will propose and this one. System will propose and this one. So it is the first expiry, first out logic, and so first in, last out. First in, last out. So why we have to use this first in, last out means actually it is used in the marble stones. For example, marble stones, this kind of industry, the products are knowing not going to be expired, right? Products are not going to
Yes,
be
sir.
expired. Yeah. So in that industry, especially they will use this kind of first in, last out, first in, last out. Okay,
Okay.
first in, last out. Now here you have seen this one. So it is quite opposite to first in, first out. It is quite opposite to first in, first out. Okay, now you can see this one. Okay, this peak logic works in case of extended, and it is also possible to combine two peak logics. Two peak logics. The requirement is so first in, first out, first in, first out, and the thing is wherever the less quantity is there, that system has to propose. Okay, one is first in, first out logic has to be performed. Another thing is system has to see wherever the less products are there, that system has to issue. Okay, based on your understanding, what is which actually product is going to be expired soon, which in which bin the products are going to be expired soon.
Oh, 5 10
No, not
23.
expired, not expired, we have received first, right? This one, right? So system will issue
Yes,
that
sir.
one. Yeah, the next thing is
5 and 24.
so here also we are having 5 and 24, here also we are having
Uh,
5 and 24, here also we are having 5 and 24. Yes or no? Okay,
three products there.
but the, yeah,
Bin
yeah,
bin 1, bin 5, bin 8.
yeah, bin 1, bin 5, bin 8. But actually what is the logic? First in, first out with less quantity first.
Yes, sir.
Wherever the
Oh,
less quantity is there, that
bin
actually
5,
system will propose. Yeah, bin 5. System will issue that bin 5. Then system will go for bin 3,
bin 8.
bin 8,
Yes, bin
and
8.
system will go for bin 4. Okay. The next thing is, so in the month of 20, like, so this is going to be expired. Okay.
17 5
7,
20.
5, yeah, 17, 5, 24. System will propose this one. Now here again confusion. So 5, 11, 2024 and 5, 11, 2024. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, 21/7 is also there. System will propose that one. So now what we are remind with, but actually in this case, if the quantities are same, system will take the sequence of the bins. Now system will pick the sequence. Okay, both the logics are getting
Yes.
satisfied, right? Both are having
Yes,
received
sir.
on same dates. Both are actually having the four quantity. Then system will actually keep the sequence of the bins. Okay, in our sequence, the fourth bin comes first, and
Okay.
this is how we can pick the two logics. In case of SAP AWM, this is how we can pick the two logics. And there is one more concept called HU management. HU management. HU management is nothing but a packaging material with unique identification or barcode. Unique identification or barcode is called handling unit. Handling unit. So with the help of these handling units and barcodes, we can easily scan the products and we can track the products in the warehouse. Okay, handling unit. Handling unit is nothing but the packaging material with products with unique number or unique barcode. So for example, I have shown you this one as well. Is there any barcode here?
No, sir.
No, because even though it is a carton box, it is simply the quantity classification. There is no barcode, no unique identification. No unique identification. Once this carton means always 10 products should be there. That's what it's meaning. You cannot keep one product less here. Okay, always that
Okay.
is the quantity classification. Okay, Always you are picking one carton box means always 10 should be there. There is no question of keeping one more product extra or one more product less. There is no question here.
Oh,
But in case of handling unit management, in case of handling unit management, so you can keep one product extra, or we can keep some products very, you cannot go with the exact number. You cannot go with the exact number. You can keep 5 products or 10 products or 7 products, based on the capacity of this one. So you can keep, even you can keep the one product. So then how we can going to identify whether in this carton box we are having only one product or two products? How we are going to identify is nothing but with the help of this barcode. Once you scan this barcode, system will actually show you how many products are there in it, how many products are there in it. Okay.
yes.
So with the help of that one, you can easily scan that product and how many products are there in this carton box, that you can track. In case of quantity classification, there is no question of storing one product extra or one product less. Always you have to store the one carton of these products means always 10 you have to store. But in case of handling unit management, we can store the products. But this unique identification should be there. It is packaging material with products with a unique identification. That is what we call as handling unit management. That is possible with the help of our SAP EWM. So here you can see the handling unit, different level of handling units are there. Okay.
Yes.
Even though,
So,
so the bottle is also one kind of packaging material, right? To pack the water.
yes.
Okay. On bottle you can find the barcode, right?
Yes, sir. On
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
bottom side.
On the bottle you can find the barcode means that may not be unique. If we are going to shop, that may not be unique. Okay. But actually, so in our warehouse that should be unique one. So bottle. On small boxes also you can find the barcodes on small boxes. On cotton boxes you can find the barcodes. On pallet also, for the entire that the requirement is entire pallet level you want to maintain one barcode, or each and every cotton box level you want to maintain the barcodes, different barcodes. So both the things are possible. Both the things are possible in case of our SAP EWM. In case of our SAP EWM. Apart from handling units, so we are also having the concept called yard management. For example, this is our warehouse. Okay. Simple. Yard is
Okay.
nothing but our premises, right? Within the compound wall, what is happening is yard. Shashikant, you understand the meaning of yard, right? Yard.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You know.
Yard is nothing but within the premises of our warehouse. So this is the checkpoint. So from here, actually, vehicles will enter and vehicle will leave the warehouse. This is all the compound wall. This is the actual warehouse. This is the actual warehouse. But here we can actually park the vehicles, parking the vehicles. Once any one of the door is free, warehouse door is free, we can dock the vehicle to the door. This is the yard door. This is the yard door. Okay. And so we can. This is the parking area. So this is also possible. This is also possible with the help of our EWM. Now, as of now, we have seen, okay, until yard management, all the functionalities are available in case of WM and EWM, until yard management. But after this yard management, these functionalities are not available in case of WM, and these functionalities are available only in case of EWM, only in case of EWM. It's okay. Uh, did you get my point?
Yes, sir. On.
So as of now, you are good with this concept, right? If you have any doubt, you can
Yes, sir.
ask me. Okay.
On.
Okay. Yeah. Tomorrow, the differences part we will cover in tomorrow's session. So what all are the differences are there in tomorrow's
Oh,
session? It is not only understanding the differences, but also we are going to understand the warehouse terminology and warehouse like words. Yeah. Yes,
yeah.
Shashikant. Yeah.
Sir.
You have any question?
I have no question, sir. No.
Yeah. 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 Actually, to be frank, Ravi, you might be, so you passed out in 2022, right?
I, yes, sir.
Yeah.
20.
So like you have to ask the questions. So you can ask. Like don't be hesitative. So that's what I am thinking. So feel like a friend. It is not a college or school. So you are going
Yes.
to study this and you are going to work on this. Don't be hesitant. Okay. You can ask
Okay, sir.
whenever you have any question. That's what I'm expecting from you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Ravi. So
Okay,
we
sir.
will
Thank you.
actually, yeah, we will have a session tomorrow as well. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay. Thank you.